Hi, my name is Lami Yates. I'm my TraXel's nurse coach, which means I'm a board certified health coach and a registered nurse. So I also was diagnosed with MS in 2020. So I've been dealing with my own personal healing journey and navigating this disease as well. I'm here with another episode of Holistic Health and Approach to Wellness with MS. And today I would like to talk about the importance of symptom tracking. And real quick first, I do want to say thank you for your patience. I know it's been longer than normal from when the last episode was out, so I appreciate your patience. And just also, again, just kind of a quick little update from last time. I was in the middle of navigating my next treatment option, and I've got a second opinion with another neurologist, which was great. Always good about just checking different options that you might have, and also just figuring out what's the best decision for me. And so unfortunately at the moment, I haven't come up with the next treatment plan. I'm just going to continue with what I've been on, Ocrevus for now, the IV infusion. If that's okay, I will always again continue with ongoing discussions with my providers and continuing with just doing some more lab work, which I'm excited to see if that shows anything in the next month or so. But again, thank you for your patience. And so again, I'd like to discuss the importance of symptom tracking and how that's helpful, especially if you follow my TraXel.com or subscribe or on their email list. I'm sure you've heard that they announced the countdown for the launch of their new app, which is exactly for symptom tracking. And so I thought, why not talk about that? Because I'm super excited about it. I coincidentally have been finally doing this myself just on my own with just a logbook and a journal. And I've always done it for the last 3 years on and off, but it was never consistent and definitely not good enough to kind of really gather information on it. But I've really cracked down and focused on it. And I have to say it's been very helpful. And why even do it? What's the point of doing it? Well, really, it's helpful in identifying patterns and triggers and seeing exactly, what might be worse that day for you as far as stress, heat, fatigue, and just kind of rating yourself overall, like a 1 to 5, 5 being good, 1 being worst. And it really has helped me just kind of pinpoint how I'm doing overall. Like, it's nice. Yeah, you kind of know, okay, yes, I've progressed over the last 4 to 5 years, but exactly in what way? And symptom tracking has really helped just pinpoint that even more. Helping identify patterns is very important in terms of just seeing what's working and what's not working. So when you really break it down, it's helpful to note in that regard. And also it really just encourages self-awareness and empowers you. I feel like I do it every day, and then really checking back every week. I feel like it's empowering because it is something that is in our control to do and to help us moving forward. It's also helped me with just to be inspired to keep going, because I've noticed after the last few weeks, I've just noticed it's nice to just be able to see where I'm going. If I'm just continuously having bad days, or is it just the same, and it really just helps just monitor your disease progression or not. And also, again, just helps me inspire me to keep going, because it's just like a real concrete way to gather information, and again, the progress of your symptoms, or what's helping and what's not helping. And it also is just good for communication with your doctor, like to have, again, concrete evidence on how you're doing versus just general information. So sharing this information with your doctor so they can help you just with the best treatments available is also helpful. I personally, the way I've been doing it, and of course you can customize it to however you want to, but for me, I personally track sleep, nutrition, my mood, my level of fatigue, and also the exercise that I've been doing. So again, it's also just helped inspire me because I know that I'm logging it down and it's keeping me accountable. And so it just makes me okay, like, even if I don't feel like doing it, I'm going to have to write, in my book, did I do my exercise like I'm supposed to? Did I get my 7 to 8 hours of sleep? Did I do this? So just knowing that I'm going to record it and document, which maybe that's sad, but just knowing that I'm going to have to see that, and, that actually does help inspire me to keep going. And I do have to say, heck, I can happily say that I finally have been doing much, much better with my sleeping. Minimum I'm getting is 6. I'm striving for 7. Last night I got 8. So I've talked about that in the past, has been my struggle, and I've finally been consistently doing it, and it's helped overall. And again, writing it down has helped just keep track of, okay, what's improving and how is this helping with my limping and my dizziness and other symptoms. So not only is it empowering just to help in that sense, because it is in our control, and again, it's accessible. It's not hard to do, it's not expensive, and it's not really time consuming. It does take a little time, but it really is not anything too crazy. It is nice to just be able to look at it, and I honestly am to the point where I look forward to logging what's going on that day, because I have been consistent finally this year. I can say after a few years of just kind of getting better, but now this year I can say that I've made progress with sleep, my nutrition, and then my exercise. Again, logging it down has really helped just inspire me to do that. I know I said that already a couple times, but it really has just helped keep me accountable. And then I've also just noticed a difference too, which is also helpful, of course. So how do I do it? Again, I just log it in my journal, or you could do it in your phone, or you can do it on Excel spreadsheet, like whatever works for you. But I personally just put it in a journal, and I record exactly what I just talked about every single day. And then, but I have it for, on one page, I have the whole week. So every page is a week, and I've been doing it consistently for 3 months now, proud to say. But also, it's really, again, just helped me overall with my limping. And, what have I learned the last 3 months? First of all, I learned that I'm capable of doing it. I've really focused on it and made the time to do it. Again, it does not take that long. It just takes not even 10 minutes, but I also do it with my journaling too. So I kind of keep that together. My other journaling, as far as just writing down emotions and how I'm feeling and doing that day. So I kind of do all of that together. But again, it only takes 10 minutes. It's not long at all. And if you just really want to, when you really want to do something, and I'm really trying to improve with my symptoms and help with my disease progression, you will find time to do something when you really want to change and make changes. So I'm also writing down how my limping and my walking is also, and rating that every day. Now, the distance that I can walk has not changed. That's about the same, but I can say that I've had better days of just how my leg's doing in general, and really just feeling better about actually wanting to go walk. Because there are days where I walk at this park, but there's days where I just really don't even want to, because just all the little things of people looking at me, and then am I really going to struggle again like I did the other day? So there's always just these things in my head, and I'm sure you can relate, where you just kind of, it makes you not want to do it. But again, tracking everything has really helped me just see progression and just see how I'm doing. And so again, what I've noticed in the last 3 months is I didn't realize it's my bad days haven't been as much as they used to be from when I first started. So let's just say, like even today, ironically, today is not my best day walking, as far as my leg just feeling heavy and not moving like it normally does, and I have to stop way more just to get to the bathroom just now. Ironically, today has not been a great day, but honestly, the last time, again, looking at my logbook, the last time I did have a bad day was about 3 weeks ago, and prior to that was about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So really in the last, I would say even 2 months, I've only had like 3 or 4 of these not so great days, which I feel is better than it used to be. But again, like the more I'm going to track now here in the future, we'll see what patterns there are. But it is just good to know, like I thought my bad leg days were way more than it was. And then when I actually look back at it, it was, oh wow, it was 3 weeks ago when I really had that issue walking out to my driveway. And so just kind of noticing that, and again, recognizing patterns and seeing it written down, because I'm a visual person too, so that is helpful for me as well. But also just want to stress the importance of, again, I talked about this before, advocating for ourselves. This is just one of many ways to really help empower us and really just advocate for ourselves to do everything in our power that we can control. A lot of it with MS, of course, we all know is out of our hands, but things like this is something that we can do, and it is truly helpful. And I'm super excited again about the app coming out to really help us with that, and just to be a more convenient way and just a good tool in general for us to use. Also, in addition to keeping track of how my limping and walking is doing, I also have noticed improvement with my dizziness. So the more sleep I get, I noticed that does help decrease my dizziness. And again, with everything, nutrition and exercise, all of that, being more consistent and writing it down, I've noticed overall, it just helps me just be in a better mood. It helps with fatigue. Sleep and everything I just talked about also helps with our brain health. And so, of course, all of that is just important with our overall well-being. And it's also just helped me emotionally too, with just dealing with emotions. It all comes together and it all helps. And again, I just want to say a thank you so much for your patience with my episodes and the support that you've all had. I appreciate it so much. With that, I do want to just say I'm offering 10 complimentary coaching sessions. If you're interested in just having a coaching session with me, as far as, just helping you get on track, even just helping to inspire you, even just to have a conversation about how you're doing. My email is ldome@gmail.com. So ldomedome@gmail.com. I'm also on Instagram at Nourished Soul Coach on Instagram. I don't have a website yet. I'm hoping to work on that maybe next year. But yes, I would love to have anybody just reach out to me if you want assistance or inspiration on just helping to get on track, and then, meeting you where you're at. I don't expect us to all make changes. It's taken me years, 5 years in plus, to even get to the point where I'm at, and I still want to continue to improve and progress. But I feel it's super important to have support, and really, like I said before, really take advantage of our communities that we have. Facebook has a bunch of support groups that you can find all kinds of resources and just people to talk to. That's huge. I feel like that's so important, to talk to people who have dealt with this. They can relate firsthand. And then, especially just on my side as far as being a coach, nurse, and then also a patient, feel like I could also be really helpful if you need some inspiration or kind of just resources and help in general. But just a couple, let's see, Facebook groups that I follow are Real Talk with MS, Walk Well with MS, Healing MS Naturally, and then for me, like my local MS support group of Austin has also been amazing. So I find a lot of information on there just to see what kind of everybody's doing, and you hear about a lot, so that's also super helpful. Again, I'm really looking forward to the app coming out. I know they worked super hard on it, so I also appreciate that as well. But as always, let's continue to keep each other healthy, happy, and inspired. And until next time, have a great day, and let's continue to do better, even 1% each day. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to put it on the forum at mytraxel.com. Reach out to us on even the YouTube channel here for comments there, and also on social media. There's all kinds of ways to reach out to us, and again, take advantage of this amazing community that we have. I know I'm super grateful to be a part of mytraxel.com.